I just bought this Karcher SC5 steam cleaner in Turkey. This is the top version, and there's 5 versions for home use, and the SC5 is the best one. You can get a better version than this, but it's professional. So if you want the home one, this is the best one, and you'll have to pay more money for the professional one, which is probably much better. Anyway, I thought this was good enough for me because I'm only going to use it in my home. It says the area performance, 150 square meter. That's for the tank. So you can roughly clean 150 square meters with one tank. It should be ready within 3 minutes to use once you put the water in. It's got a 2-litre tank, or those two together, and 4.2 bar max, and it uses 2,220 watts of electricity. And this is the stuff it comes with as well in the box. I did consider buying the version 4 of this, but the reason why I got this one is because you can change the hose on this one. And I read I read some reviews where they said the hose got broken on their version 4 and version 3. So I thought, okay, if I buy one with a replaceable hose, if it breaks, I can always replace the hose rather than sending it back and getting it fixed, a new hose in it, and then getting it sent back here. It'd be easier for me to just buy a new hose for this and replace it if I need to. And also, this can be replaced as well. But these parts are expensive. Like I asked Karcher in the UK, and I said, how much is it for a new hose? And they said this hose costs £82.50. I think that's what they quoted, and I was surprised that hose was so expensive. Then I said, if this breaks, how much is that? This plastic thing here, because I also saw photos on the internet where people had this part had cracked, and people said it was useless and they need to buy a new part. And I said, how much is that then? And they said it was, I think it was £32 or £35. And if you think about it, it's just a bit of plastic, and they're making so much money out of these parts. Like a kettle would cost much less than that, you know, and this is just plastic. At least the kettle has like moving parts, well, not really moving parts, but electrical parts in it. And this is just plain plastic, and they're charging a lot of money. I don't know how much is that to make, but I imagine it's maybe less than £1 if it's coming from China. It says made in Germany, but I imagine some of the parts are made in cheaper places, and it's maybe assembled in Germany. I don't know. Maybe it's all made in Germany. I'm not sure, but that's sometimes what they do. They say it's made in Germany, assembled in Germany, but parts come from different places. So I bought this with my own money. I'm not sponsored by Karcher. I wasn't given this machine for free, so I'm going to give my honest opinion on whether this machine is any good or not, and whether you should buy it. Before we unbox it, let's have a look at what it says here, the features. So it says easy fixation thanks to hook and loop fastener, best cleaning result thanks to lamella technology, I think I pronounced that right. Interruption-free cleaning thanks to continuous refillable water tank. So you can just refill the water tank and just carry on cleaning again. You don't need to let it rest. Steam flow control includes vapor hydro function. I think it shoots out hot water as well as steam, and that's only available, I think, on the top version, which is SC5. No dirt contact. Ergonomic cleaning thanks to flexible nozzle joint, blah blah blah, child safety, M-lock, and also removable plug for iron option. And that's why I bought this one. That's why I bought the top version, because I wanted a removable hose, or they call it removable plug here. But in the box now, it says thank you. Merci, I think that's French, danke, German, gracias, Italian, Spanish. So yeah, it's all in different languages. It says thank you, and let's see what it says there. English, it says specifications are subject to change without notice. I don't think that's fair. They should let us know when it changes. Well, if they make it better, it doesn't matter. If they make it inferior, I want to know about it. Optional accessories that can be purchased separately. There you go. Oops. So this is the hose. It's got kind of plastic. It's just plastic texture. Oops. Take this out. It's got a bit of dust on there. Here's the booklet. And this. What else? It's only got one of these. Karcher's been a bit greedy really, they should give us more than one. I think they should be a bit more generous. Other manufacturers give you more accessories with their stuff. Let's see. All this stuff comes out really dusty. See that? It's very dusty. This is the extension tube. There's a second one. And that's it really, it's the main device inside. Oops. Oh no, there's some more. I'll take this out first. And you also got this thing for the floor. I'll take that out soon. And this little brush thing. Yeah, but don't you think Karcher should have added more than one of these things in there? This is going to get dirty. When you wash one, you should be able to use the other one. They want you to pay more for the other accessories, which are probably quite expensive, knowing Karcher. Anyway, yeah, I'll have this set up soon, and I'll show you some cleaning with it. So this is what it looks like. It's got a little flap here, a little brush there, a little accessory. You can adjust the control of this, so that would be off, and then steam, get stronger, and then there. And I think this is hydro function, where it pushes out jet water as well as steam. And this is the plastic bit that they charge £30 odd for if it cracks. And I've seen cracked versions of it on the internet where they say it's leaking water. They need to replace it. So Karcher want 30 odd quid for this, which is well overpriced, in my opinion. So I'll get this set up. I'll read the instructions and have a go at this and see if it's any good. So if you're wondering how this thing sticks to that, this thing has some little kind of grooves. Let me try and focus on it. Oops. There. Can you see? It has these little grooves there. And when you place those grooves onto the pad, it picks up, see? So if you put them all down, you have to drag it off. Oops. It's well stuck on. So you just stick it on. Oops. And it picks up, see? That's how it works. I filled it to just below maximum, and now it's drinking the water and making a strange noise. And it's got this flashing, so I imagine it's going to be like 2.5 minutes later, and that should be done. It takes 3 minutes maximum apparently to be finished. So I'll just sit here, wait for it to finish. Strange sound though. I'm going to try and remove some of this dirt here. So this was just a quick unboxing video. I'll have a full review within the next few days, and I'll take some videos of myself cleaning up the house, and you can see how effective it is at cleaning, and I'll also tell you whether I think it's worth the money or not. So that's it really. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.